If you love crispy, delicious food but also want your kitchen filled with style, innovation, and convenience, this video is for you. Today, we're checking out some of the best kitchen appliances that make cooking healthier and easier than ever. From sleek portable glass air fryers that let you watch your food cook to perfection, to compact gadgets designed for small kitchens, dorms, or even on-the-go lifestyles, these products combine performance, efficiency, and modern design. Let's dive in and see why these game-changing appliances deserve a spot in your home. Number 1. Ninja Crispi Portable Air Fryer. Picture this, you're craving something crispy, golden, and delicious, but you don't want to heat the whole kitchen or wait forever. That's where the Ninja Crispi Portable Air Fryer comes in. This little powerhouse packs the performance of a full-sized air fryer right into your hand with the Crispi Power Pod. You get 2 Tempware glass containers, a 6-cup one for quick, personal-sized meals ready in about 7 minutes, and a 4-quart option that can handle a whole 4-pound chicken with veggies. The borosilicate glass is thermoshock resistant, so you can go straight from frozen to crispy in minutes. No waiting, no fuss. With 4 cooking modes, Max Crisp, Bake, Air Fry, and Recrisp, you've got flexibility for snacks, dinners, and leftovers that taste fresh again. Plus, the fixed heat-safe feet protect any countertop surface, and the leak-proof snap-lock lids make taking your meal on the go a breeze. It's compact, versatile, and makes cooking faster and tastier than ever. Number 2. Kismile Portable Glass Air Fryer. Imagine having perfectly crispy, golden meals without the hassle of guesswork. That's exactly what the Kismile Portable Glass Air Fryer delivers. With its 5 smart pre-programmed modes, you just press a button and let it handle the rest. Whether you're roasting juicy meats at 355 DGF, giving snacks extra crunch with re-roast, deep roasting, frozen favorites, broiling steaks to perfection, or keeping dinner warm until everyone's ready, it's effortless. The powerful 1500W turbo heater and dual crystal glass bowls mean faster, healthier cooking with 85% less oil, no lingering plastic taste, just pure flavor. You can swap between the 2.6-quart bowl for solo dinners and the 4.7-quart for family feasts, and both are made from safe, non-toxic glass. It's compact enough for tiny kitchens, dorms, RVs, or cabins with stackable bowls and non-slip feet for stability. Cleanup's a breeze since the bowls are dishwasher safe, and storage is simple thanks to their nesting design. This is the air fryer you'll use every day. Fast, portable, and consistently delicious. Number 3. JAYEUW Portable Glass Air Fryer. If you've been searching for a healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried foods, the JAYEUW Portable Glass Air Fryer is going to be a game changer in your kitchen. With its advanced halogen heating and hot air circulation technology, you can indulge in crispy, golden perfection while cutting up to 85% of the oil compared to traditional frying. And that means you can still enjoy those delicious textures without all the extra fat. The 1200W, 1400W power paired with 360 DEV heating ensures every bite is cooked to perfection, crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, whether you're air frying, roasting, or baking. One of the coolest features? The transparent borosilicate glass pot lets you watch your food cook in real time, no more guesswork. With its generous 18 QT capacity and an expansion ring for even more space, you can easily cook for the whole family in one go. Cleanup is quick, and the safety auto-off function makes it stress-free. This air fryer truly blends performance, style, and convenience into one must-have appliance.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.